Hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to add multiple photos on TikTok. So first you need to click the plus icon on the bottom center to add any kind of media. Then you're gonna tap your gallery on the bottom right corner, and here you need to have this select multiple selected. You just need to select the select multiple, and if you only want to see your photos, you need to click on your photos. And now I can just select multiple photos and click next. So now if you click next, you will have it in a swipe gallery format, and if you would like to have it in video format and you don't have the option to change it to video here in the bottom, because some people do have this option, you just need to click the plus icon here, just choose the photos you would like to add, and also choose a video which you add to this gallery, and you just click next. And now you basically have it in a video format where you can change the length of the photos one by one by clicking on this edit icon and just clicking on the photos, and you can change the length of the photos. And here you can also remove the video by clicking on the video and clicking delete. And now you have a clip which switches the pictures automatically, and you just click next and do all the other things you would do with your TikTok video. Right, so all in all, this is how to add multiple photos on TikTok. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.